A quiet revolution is underway to address a widely underestimated climate challenge: extreme heat. Local authorities have appointed several chief heat officers, CHOs, in cities worldwide in recent years to prepare residents for increasingly frequent and severe bouts of excessive heat. They call it the silent killer, said Eleni Myrivili, who serves as the global CHO for the UN's Human Settlement Program and previously worked in a similar role for the Greek capital of Athens. Myrivili said she believes that extreme heat is often overlooked because it lacks the visible drama of roofs being ripped from homes or streets being turned into rivers. Heat, I believe it to the bottom of my heart, is going to be the #1 public health challenge that we will be dealing with in the next decade. And we need to prepare for it now, Myrivili told CNBC via videoconference. We can. But we really need to make it a priority. Heat is the leading weather-related killer in the U.S. Data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention showed that more than 1,700 deaths were the result of heat-related causes in 2022, roughly double the toll of 5 years prior. Researchers have said these are likely conservative estimates. The CDC defines extreme heat as summertime temperatures that are significantly hotter and/or more humid than average. Older adults, young children and people with chronic diseases are recognized as among the most at risk of heat-related illnesses, such as heat exhaustion or heat stroke. The CDC warns that even young and healthy people can be affected. The first person in the world to be assigned as a CHO was Jane Gilbert, who was appointed in 2021 to oversee Florida's most populous county, Miami-Dade. We have relatively high air conditioning penetration, but with our rising temperatures, electricity bills are just through the roof. We've also had the electricity rates go up. AC can be over 50% of what the electricity bill, so people are choosing between AC and putting food on the table for their families, Gilbert told CNBC. A coastal metropolis in the southern U.S., Miami is internationally known for its vulnerability to sea level rise and hurricanes. Yet Gilbert said community-led surveys have identified chronic heat as the most pressing climate concern. For 6 months of the year, Gilbert said temperatures in Miami exceed 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 32.2 degrees Celsius, almost daily, posing a particularly big problem for outdoor workers. To help reduce the risks to the county's population of 2.7 million, Gilbert said her team's action plan focused on informing and preparing people for extreme heat, helping to cool homes affordably and working to cool community neighborhoods to tackle the so-called heat island effect, whereby a city incurs much warmer temperatures than nearby rural areas.